High Court Judge Esther Muremba made a surprising move by stepping down from his case, citing personal reasons. This twist sends Neville's case back to square one, as it's now returned to the registrar of the High Court. But who is Neville Mutsvangwa? At 44, he's not just known for his influential parents, but now more notoriously for being locked up on allegations of forex trading and money laundering nearly 3 weeks ago. The charges don't stop there. Alongside 2 others, Neville is also facing accusations related to contravening the Telecommunications Act. The courtroom vibes tense. As the magistrate mulled over the complexities of this case, involving significant financial misconduct, the air was thick with anticipation and gravity. The state's argument was robust, pointing out the risk of Neville potentially fleeing the country due to his connections and the severity of the charges. Meanwhile, the defense argued that their clients had legitimate income sources and were wrongfully accused. Adding to the drama, a video surfaced showing Neville struggling to climb into a prison truck after his court appearance, which quickly went viral on social media. This clip stirred a mix of sympathy and outrage among Zimbabweans, sparking debates and discussions across platforms. Now, with the case back at the registrar and no judge currently assigned, Neville's future hangs in the balance. The implications of this case could resonate far beyond the courtroom, potentially influencing public perception of justice and power in Zimbabwe. As this story develops, it's clear that the Neville Mutsvangwa case is more than just a legal battle. It's a reflection of the broader challenges facing Zimbabwe's judicial and political landscapes. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this story, providing updates and insights on where it heads next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into the news that matters.